Hello everyone, I'm Suraj from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is biogas. So let's know more about biogas. So the contents that are to be covered in this presentation are: first we'll see the introduction to biogas, then we'll come to some of the advantages and disadvantages of biogas. So starting with the introduction to biogas, it is a type of biofuel that is naturally produced from the decomposition of organic waste. When organic matter, such as food scraps and animal waste, breaks down in an anaerobic environment, that is an environment absent of oxygen, that is known as the anaerobic environment, a blend of gases, primarily methane and carbon dioxide, is released. This gas can be captured and used as a renewable energy source. So the biogas is also a renewable energy source. So the composition of biogas, it is composed of methane CH4 that is 50 to 75 percentage, carbon dioxide CO2 that is 25 to 50 percentage, and trace gases. These include hydrogen sulfide H2S, ammonia NH3, and water vapor. So biogas is a facility that provides oxygen-free conditions where anaerobic digestion can occur. Simply put, it as an artificial system where you can turn waste into sustainable energy and fertilizer with positive effects on the environment. A biogas plant has three major components that make the biogas production process possible: a reception area, a digestion or fermentation tank, a gas holder. The reception area is where the raw materials arrive and are prepared for anaerobic digestion. Uh, Next are some of the most popular biomass choices are crop residues, municipal and industrial sewage, agricultural material, livestock manures, seawood, food processing, and paper waste. But the list of raw materials used is significantly longer. The digester is an airtight, waterproof container with a mean of entry of biomass. Here you introduce the raw materials to be transferred into energy, then alligators shift the biomass periodically to free the gases and prevent the formation of layers. The gas holder is an airproof container, preferably made in steel, that collects the gas generated during the fermentation. So, why is the biogas used for? It can be have multiple purposes and fulfill a double role in the ecosystem and economy. On the one hand, biogas plants can supply us with carbon neutral energy and heating. If the biogas plant compresses the biogas to obtain biomethane, this can substitute natural gas for industries. Biogas is 100% renewable and carbon neutral as its combustion doesn't produce new carbon dioxide. The biogas can be combusted into domestic stoves for cooking after minor treatment. Otherwise, it can be used to generate heat and power, produces both heat and electricity. So coming to advantages of biogas, it is a renewable energy source. Biogas is produced from organic waste which is constantly being generated, making it sustainable energy source. Waste reduction. It helps in managing and reducing the amount of organic waste that would otherwise end up in landfills. Then it has a major effect in the greenhouse gas reduction. Using biogas reduces the emission of methane, a potent energy that is generated from the greenhouse gas from landfills. Next is energy independence. It provides a local source of energy, reducing dependency on the fossil fuels much more. It reduces the pollution also. Then nutrient rich byproduct. The digestate, the byproduct of anaerobic digestion process, is rich in nutrients and it can be used for the fertilizers. So another advantage of biogas plant is eliminating the need for synthetic fertilizers as they get replaced by digestate. It regulates a series of nutrients such as phosphorus, which is essential for healthy crops. Biogas plants contribute to building a circular economy in which more industries can become sustainable and self-sufficient by using their waste to obtain energy or heat. As the number of facilities grows, new jobs are generated across multiple verticals with a significant impact on the quality of life in numerous communities worldwide. So coming to some of the disadvantages of biogas. So initial cost. The setup cost for biogas plant can be high, which can be a barrier for some scale producers. Maintenance. Biogas plants require regular maintenance and skilled operation to ensure sufficient and safe operation. variable production. The amount of biogas produced can vary depending on the type and quantity of waste, the temperature and other factors also. Impurities. Biogas contain impurities like hydrogen sulfide that can corrode equipment and require additional purification steps. So location specific. Biogas production is most feasible in areas with a large and steady supply of organic waste, making it less practical in some regions. The downside. The process is simple but it doesn't come cheap. The costs associated with building a biogas plant make investing in such facilities a challenge in many communities. Furthermore, the model as we know it today isn't feasible in large urban communities that require high amounts of hydrogen to thrive but can't provide the raw materials necessary for generating enough biogas. The technology used inside many biogas plants could use an upgrade too to be more efficient and cost effective. This way, biogas plants could be more easily scalable and the biogas would turn into a low cost renewable solution. So biogas plants and anaerobic digester come in many sizes and forms, but they serve the same purpose to produce sustainable energy from waste. The biogas production process is straightforward. However, building a biogas plant doesn't always come cheap, and the technology used isn't scalable, so progress in the industry is slow. Biogas plants aren't scalable or feasible in large urban areas, despite the multiple benefits to the environment and economy. The industry is in its initial stages, but the number of biogas plants has grown significantly in past years. As new technology is used to power and maintain these facilities with lower cost, we might see increased biogas production, positively affecting greenhouse gas emission worldwide. So we have come to an end of an presentation. I hope you have understood all the concepts that I have covered in this presentation. So I hope you understood of the biogas plant. Thank you.